Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming basics, battery sufficient, and you can unlock the Moto G85 now. Once done, open settings and immediately search for security or lock screen to avoid scrolling. You need your current screen lock method to authorize changes, so authenticate with PIN, pattern, or fingerprint when prompted. Make sure your device is online. The phone may ask for your Google account to verify identity. This prevents lockout and speeds the change process, so prepare credentials before proceeding. Now you change the lock. Tap Screen Lock or Lock Screen, then select Change or Screen Lock type. Enter your current PIN or pattern to prove it's you, since this is a security-sensitive action. Choose the new method, PIN, password, or pattern, and follow the prompts. If you pick PIN, use at least 4 digits. For password, pick a mix of letters and numbers to improve security. Make sure to confirm the new entry exactly, because any mismatch will force you to repeat the step. Finish by confirming the new lock and immediately test it. Lock the phone and unlock with the new PIN, password, or pattern. Once successful, consider adding fingerprint or face unlock for speed while keeping the password as backup. If something goes wrong PIN entered too many times, use Google Account Recovery or the Find My Device Unlock options. Make sure your Google credentials are handy. If recovery fails, contact Motorola support for device-specific steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.